I'm Kimberly Clayton Blaine, the Go-To Mom, and I'm talking about how social media has truly changed the way I work and parent. Social media is clearly my paradise because I'm able to bond with women like all over the nation every single day, get advice, seek support from like-minded women that are doing what I'm doing. They're raising children, they are running companies, they're very, very smart. They can engage, their audience and build their platform based on what other women are doing. So we're all paving the way for one another. In the past, it used to be that we could do one or the other, motherhood or working, and we had to do one of those really well. Today, because social media is such a incredible part of connecting all pieces of motherhood, we're able to do both really well. Technology today, social media in particular, is allowing women to make different decisions. In the past, a woman might have chosen to go back to work because she doesn't want to lose herself, and sometimes motherhood is really, really lonely. You're raising children that have different needs. They're these little amazing beings that we have to give our entire heart and soul to. And while we do that, I think nature allows us to give up ourselves and to put ourselves on the bottom of the totem pole. But with social media, we can still work. We can work from home, we can have clients and still wear our slippers, and we can still raise our children. So I think that for someone like me, it's been invaluable, and the connections I've made with other women doing what I'm doing has been amazing.